right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're going to talk about, well, you're going to get replaced at some point. When I got fired, a lot of people were talking about me not making myself irreplaceable. That doesn't exist. I hate to tell you, it doesn't exist. Everybody's replaceable. Whether you do programming, whether you virginize modules for the shop, whether you do board level repairs, there's always going to be somebody that does it better, cheaper, more efficiently, etc. You're not replaceable. Now, it's really important to realize that so you can plan for it. So you can plan when the inevitable happens. The shop shuts down. The owner retires, sells the place. There's no telling the stuff that could happen. You know, the shop owner dies and the family doesn't really know how to operate a shop and it fails. There's lots of reasons to lose your job in this industry, not just they fired you. Sometimes stuff just happens and you're out of a job. You know, property isn't owned by the shop, it's leased. They lose their lease because Home Depot's coming in to build a new center and it's right where that shop is. Stuff like that. So you need to be prepared in case it happens. That includes having a proper emergency fund so you're not in a panic if something like that happens. Also, you need to be networking with shop owners, looking, not seriously, but always have feelers out there for a job because you never know what's going to happen. Again, but you need to have those feelers out there so you have prospects when that happens. Because as I said, it's not if, it's probably going to be when. The thing about it is despite what they say, sorry, they don't care about you. Always have a backup plan. Always have an escape plan because you never know what's going to happen. I know this kind of video kind of is scary because, well, the truth of the matter is you could just one day be unemployed, just like that. And you could be just, you know, jumping off the Titanic and drowning if you don't have that emergency fund. If you don't have prospects for a new job and you have to just go out there and try to find a shop to go work at because you're not out there looking, not out there putting out those feelers, talking to shop owners who might want to hire you one day. And let's just be clear here. The easiest way to get a raise in this industry is to change jobs, period. Shop owners will not give you massive raises when you work for them, period. But you can get a massive raise changing jobs. So having that backup plan might work out financially for you better, quicker. So always be out there looking for a better job because you never know when you may need it. Hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.